Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Lieutenant Commander S.I. Anand Singh. Tar pisot ase State Fire Service Organization, Lieutenant Commander ABSI Narayan Medhi. State Fire Service Organization, Lieutenant Commander ABSI Narayan Medhi. Tar pisot District Executive Force, Kamrup, SP Office, Kamrup, Lieutenant Commander ABSI Anil Bora. এবার Assam Home Guard Contingent, Lieutenant Commander ABSI Bhadraram Haloi. ইয়ার পিছত NCC 1 Assam Battalion, North Guwahati College and Paschim Guwahati Mahavidyalaya Unit, Lieutenant Commander Dipankar Boro. তার পিছত Horaghat College, Sangsari NCC, Lieutenant Commander Jitumoni Nath. ইয়ার পিছত Sangsari HD School, Lieutenant Commander Suresh Pradhan. ইয়ার পিছত Uparkhali High School, Lieutenant Commander Pankaj Talukdar. Commander